I read a thing that you can tell how smart your dog is by how fast they can shake off a towel. So, honey. It's nap time. But this guy, he takes his naps very seriously. Some would say he's dead. But he's not.
Isn't this the most precious thing you've ever seen? It'd really be a shame if someone played a really loud note on a really loud instrument right in her ear. Gotcha! She's deaf! Y'all really thought I was about to do that, huh?
Hi! Hi, babies. Sorry. Oh my gosh.
Hey, Bella, you're adopted. What is this? Mom?
Misha, look at me. Misha, look. You're adopted.
Why are you standing on the fucking toilet? What do you want? What do you want? What is this? I don't know what you want. What is this about?
It's just so funny to see that head pop out of there.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
You heard yourself on the video? You're like, who is that whiny bitch? That's you! That's what you sound like. Duh.
Get it, bitch. Yes.
He's like, hey, mamacita, let me get up in them cheeks.
What? Hi. You're such a sweetheart. Aww. Y'all climb all over me if you could.
What else you got to say? Yeah? What else? Can you say hello? Please? That's close. I think you need a bit more space under your throat though, so you can actually get the sound out properly. Say hello. Please? You have to lift your head up. Say hello. You get a biscuit for it. Yeah. Say hello. Do you want a biscuit? Can you say I know. That's really cute.
Oh no. Who's that out there? Oh my god. Who is that? Who is that?
Baxter, bark! Fuck. Lily, bark!
Get out of the closet. Let's get out of the closet. Corn dog, you're not allowed in here. Corn dog, get the fuck out.
Are you desperate for snuggles right now? Oh, you poor thing.
Cat's Impressions Part 1. Angry cat. Grumpy cat. Crazy cat.
Roblox, my tummy hurts. Come emotionally support me. Come on, Roblox. Come on.
Jerry, what did I say about secret cults in the basement? Will you stop trying to sacrifice or keep the shit upstairs? Why is my play button down here? Hey, don't eat the fire!
I'm semi, I stay automatic. Money add then multiply. I call it math for mathematics.
Stinky. 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 Stinky.
Come here, puppy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Puppy? Puppy?
Can I come in your bathroom? Can I come in your bathroom, Tasha? Please, look what you did to the carpet. Hey, come in. Okay, that's nice. Nice bathroom. Bye-bye. Bye. See ya. Tasha.
Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty.
Ah, it hurts!
Oh my God! Stop! Stop!